In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save PDFs to Google Drive from Chrome. By the end, you'll be able to add a simple browser tool and use it to send any PDF you open in Chrome straight to your Google Drive with just a click. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Chrome Web Store. You can type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and press Enter. Once you're on the store page, locate the search bar and type Save to Drive. In the results, look for the extension named Save to Google Drive. It's the official tool designed for this purpose. Click it to open its details page so you can review what it does and see the Add button. Next, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in just a moment, and you'll see a brief notification when it's ready to use. To keep the extension handy, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon at the top right of Chrome. Find Save to Google Drive in the list and click the pin icon. Pinning makes the Drive icon stay visible on your toolbar, which saves time whenever you're working with PDFs. Now open the PDF you want to save. If it's a file on your computer, you can drag it into a new Chrome tab or use File. Open File to view it in the browser. If it's a PDF you found online, simply open the page and make sure the PDF is displayed in Chrome's viewer. With the PDF open, click the Save to Google Drive icon on your toolbar. The first time you use it, Chrome may prompt you to select or confirm your Google account. Choose the account where you want to store the file. Then click Save. The extension will begin uploading the PDF directly to your Google Drive. You'll see a small progress indicator, and once it finishes, a confirmation will let you know the upload is complete. That's all you need to do. Your PDF is now safely stored in your Google Drive, typically in My Drive. If you don't see the icon, make sure it's pinned, and if you're asked for permissions, approve them so the extension can save files to your account. If an upload doesn't start, double-check that you're signed into Chrome and that your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching. Now you can quickly save any PDF from Chrome to Google Drive, keeping your documents organized and accessible wherever you sign in.